Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious cream soup at home. First, gather all your fresh ingredients, ensuring they are high quality for the best flavor. Choose a suitable base, such as a rich chicken or vegetable broth, to build your soup's foundation. Then, prepare your chosen vegetables by chopping them uniformly, which helps them cook evenly and blend smoothly. Next, in a large pot, sauté your aromatics like onions and garlic until they are fragrant and translucent. Add your main vegetables, cooking them until they are slightly tender. Then, pour in your chosen broth, ensuring the vegetables are covered. Bring it to a gentle simmer and cook until all the vegetables are very soft, ready for blending.
Hey everyone, if you're finding these soup making tips helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more great content. On another note, while your kitchen smells amazing from that soup, don't let your car smell less than perfect. Life's too short for a stinky car. Grab a Little Tree's Black Ice Air Freshener. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now let's get back to the video.
Now for the magic. Carefully blend the soup using an immersion blender or a regular blender until it is perfectly smooth and creamy. Return the blended soup to the pot over low heat. To achieve your desired richness and thickness, whisk in heavy cream, half and half, or a prepared roux. Stir gently until it's well combined and heated through. Finally, it's time to perfect the flavor. Season your cream soup generously with salt, freshly ground pepper, and your favorite herbs to taste. If the consistency isn't quite right, you can adjust it with a little more broth for a thinner soup or a touch more cream for a richer one. Garnish with fresh herbs or crispy croutons just before serving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.